Houthi militia of Yemen. The Houthi militants, who are aligned with Iran and control the most populated regions of Yemen, Houthis have recently initiated a series of attacks using exploding drones and missiles on commercial vessels in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. They claim these attacks are a retaliation to Israel's military operations in Gaza. The Houthis campaign has caused disruptions in international shipping. In response, the United States and Britain have recently conducted strikes on Houthi targets in Yemen and re-designated the militia as a terrorist group. The American Central Command released a statement on X Twitter stating, CENTCOM identified missiles and USVs unmanned surface vessels in Houthi-controlled areas of Yemen and determined they presented an imminent threat to Navy ships and merchant vessels in the region. These attacks have also raised alarms among major powers that the conflict in Gaza could escalate to a regional war. In January, President Joe Biden announced that strikes on Houthi targets would persist, even though he recognized that these might not deter their attacks. A B-1B Lancer from Air Force Base in Texas. The bombers embarked on their journey from Daizes, flying directly to the Middle East, Iraq, and Syria. In coordination with CENTCOM's fighter jets, they released over 125 precision-guided munitions within a span of 30 minutes. They hit more than 85 targets associated with Iran, spread across various facilities in Iraq and Syria. Considered the backbone of the USA military's long-range bomber force, the B-1B can carry the largest conventional payload, 75,000 pounds of weapons in the Air Force's inventory. General Douglas Sims, the director of the Joint Staff, told reporters after the military action that the B-1Bs demonstrated that the Pentagon didn't need to bring extra capabilities to the Middle East when it could just carry out strikes from US-based aircraft. The strikes came in retaliation to a drone attack that killed 3 American troops in Jordan. This week, Central Command forces conducted 7 self-defense strikes against 4 Houthi surface vessels and 7 mobile anti-ship cruise missiles that were prepared against ships in the Red Sea.